Hello everyone, you are almost welcome to my channel. Today I've prepared cabbage and served it with rice. So guys, let me show you how I prepared it. Main ingredients that I need to prepare my cabbage: I have the cabbage, I have the carrots, I have the green pepper, I have the tomato and the onion. For those who like garlic, you can also add garlic. Guys, as you can see, I started with my onions, and after being somehow golden brown, I'm going to put in my cabbage. So I'm going to let it cook a bit before I put in my tomatoes, green pepper and the carrots. Guys, as you can see, now they are a bit soft, so I'm going to add in all my ingredients, and I'm going to make sure I put it down like this: the carrots, the green pepper and the tomatoes, like this. And the ingredients I'll put on salt, such that they get soft so quickly. So I'll cover like this and let the ingredients cook. So guys, at this stage I'll put in my ryco. I've diluted it with water. Guys, I mixed ryco with a little bit of simba. I love simba so much because it has some chili in it. So I'm gonna let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat, then I will serve it. Guys, you see, the cabbage has come out perfectly. Come, we enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you all for always watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment, as well as sharing it. Today's verse is coming from the book of Matthew chapter 7 verse 7, and it goes like this: Ask and you will receive, seek and you will find, knock, the door will be open to you. Guys, this is so supportive to us. It is really a supportive scripture to us, to everyone that is going through any difficulties in life. The Bible has said, ask and you will receive. So it is just simply go down on your knees, pray, prepare your prayer request to God, and expect a miracle. I love you all. May God bless you all. Bye.